I tell you, when I entered the door, it feels like I'm transcending to an island right here. This is what the Caribbeans feel like. The colors, the beauty. But that smell makes me feel like I'm in Jamaica right here.
Oh, wow. That is exactly our intention. So you feel like you can come to Jamaica without a passport, right?
Yes, I know.
Listen, we like to tell people to come for the food, stay for the vibe, right?
Okay. All right, so what you got in store for me today, Chef?
Well, listen, man, today I got some great escovitch lobster for you. Like this one is definitely inspired by the culture. Some fresh escovitch veggies on there. We have our fresh lobster spinal tail. You'll see what Jamaica is like. Yes. I need to hug you for this one. How you feel about this? This is what we do as chefs, right?
I need a hug.
Definitely.
Right here.
You the chef of love, cook. You know, you the chef of love, so you gonna make sure.
So you already
I'll
know.
show you my love. So
Look,
there you go.
And this love and this thing right here.
Oh, yeah.